Do you ever feel that yearning for something more now that the kids are gone and you are close to retirement? You are definitely not alone. A lot of people over 50 find themselves restless, searching for purpose and new ways to fill their days. Here is the good news. Hobbies are not only just fun, they can also boost your happiness, reduce stress, and even bring in extra cash. Today, we are diving into the top 5 hobbies after 50 that bring joy and extra income. Let us jump right in. First up, gardening. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp morning, dirt under your nails, and watching a tiny seedling push through the soil. Gardening is more than just fresh air. It is therapy for the soul. Studies show it reduces stress, lowers cortisol, and keeps you active. And here is the kicker. It can also earn you side income. Sell herbs, flowers, or vegetables at your local farmer's market, or even list seeds and cuttings online. A weekend stall alone could bring in a few $100s a month. Start simple with herbs or tomatoes, and let your garden grow into both serenity and side cash. Second, handmade crafts. Whether it is knitting, woodworking, or jewelry making, crafting gives you that satisfying feeling of creating something from nothing. It sharpens your motor skills, sparks creativity, and melts away stress. For income, crafts are in high demand. Platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs are perfect to sell scarves, candles, or beaded jewelry. Some crafters earn a few $100s a month just from the part-time effort. You do not need expensive supplies either. Start with recycled materials, watch free tutorials, and build from there. Number 3, writing. By the time we reach our 50s, we have collected stories, lessons, and wisdom that people want to hear. Writing helps sharpen your mind and can even reduce cognitive decline. And yes, you can monetize it. Freelance on sites like Upwork, self-publish on Amazon, or start a blog to share your insights. Even short travel stories or life lessons can earn income. All you need is your voice and a keyboard. Number 4, photography. You do not need a fancy camera. Even your smartphone can capture the beauty around you. Photography is a mindful practice where you start noticing the small details of life, from sunsets to candid smiles. For income, you can sell prints, upload to stock photography sites, or even take on small local gigs like family portraits or events. Social media is a great way to showcase your work and attract buyers. A single good photo can bring joy and a bit of extra income. And finally, online tutoring. This one is powerful because it uses something you already have. It is your life experience. Whether it is helping kids with school subjects, teaching English online, or guiding peers in a hobby you love, tutoring keeps your brain sharp and your heart connected. Many platforms let you charge $20 to $50 per hour, and you can do it all from home. Beyond the money, the biggest reward is seeing someone's eyes light up when they finally understand something you have taught. So, there you have it, the top 5 hobbies after 50 that bring both joy and extra income. Gardening, crafting, writing, photography, and tutoring. Remember, you don't need to start big. Pick one hobby that excites you. Take a small step this week and see where it leads. The second act of life is all about purpose, joy, and creating your legacy. Which of these hobbies would you try first? And if you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more tips on thriving after 50, and share it with a friend who could use some inspiration today. Thank you for watching.